What is up, YouTube? We back. I told you it was gonna be like a month. Hey, but we going to Cars and Coffee. Let me go wash my car real quick. It's not that dirty, but we'll see. Give it a little quick wash. Never showed you guys, but let's listen up to this little cold start real quick. Nice. Then we got Danny again. Alright, so we're in the car wash now. I know y'all, some of y'all are gonna hate, like, oh, you shouldn't be using that because it could scratch the paint, this and that. It's okay, it's a touchless one. No, it's not, I was kidding. It's actually touching my car. But it's okay, it won't be too bad, I think. Give it a little quick wash and then we're gonna head to Cars and Coffee. Hopefully there's a good amount of cars there. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. We out to Cars and Coffee. Y'all see, I can see the light. I can see clearly. The rain is it's still raining. It's gonna be a little bit pointless because then we get a car wash and it's gonna rain on Tuesday. Whatever. Alright, we just got here. I'm gonna see the cars now. Alright, well that was it. Not that many cars today. It was fun though. I'm heading back and should be done for today. Should be a short one today, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Now we back. Gotta give this to the customers. My sister does bags. I'll put a picture of it right here. She's still sleeping. So hit her up if y'all want tote bags. First tote bag delivered. Her. And we should see. Looking clean. And then you got my Camaro. Hey, but my cousin Gerald's coming today. He's gonna show off the new wheels. So, got the side. Damn, that thing looks nice. I swear I need another stance car. And then once Andrew comes here, I'm gonna even more want a stance car.
One eternity later.
Yo, what is up, you guys? Last time it was a car meet, Cars and Coffee, and it was whack. I went home. But here, I got some parts for the Camaro. I'll pull it into the shop. I'll show you guys. I did also crack a lip.
You're done. You're done.
So I'm gonna get a carbon fiber lip. I'm gonna lower it an inch, so it should be a nice height now. I didn't want to go any more because I don't want to mess with the magnetic ride control, and I love how it feels on the corners. So, all right, let's get this thing up there. We can give it a good little rev. I don't know if you guys have heard it. I think it sounds nice for stock. Alright, gonna do this. Damn, look at this boy Gerald's car. He sold the other wheels, he got these now. You're not gonna air out? You're gonna air it out?
No.
Why?
Let me fix it first.
What's wrong with it?
It's good. I had the same issue a long time ago where water leaks into my trunk.
Oh, into the trunk?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And what's it called? Fucking the cable got hella corroded. The starter cable.
Oh.
Because
And they didn't want to start?
Yeah.
So I can post it on YouTube. They're gonna see your face.
They are.
Again. That's
Yes.
the guy that almost crashed his bike in the garage.
Yeah. Yeah, don't post this shit on YouTube, dude.
Why? Alright, we're gonna put some lower springs. We're gonna be slammed as fuck. Only half an inch drop. Didn't even open it. I haven't done springs in hell. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so first things first, we gotta disconnect the battery, but I don't even know where the hell it's at on this car. So I'm see where it is. I'll try to find it. It's definitely not up front though. I can assure y'all that. Nope. Alright, so I found the battery. It's back here. Way in there. All you need is a 10 and time to get it out. Alright, so I got both of them out. Bam, both of them are out. Brakes just holding on right there. And then Gerald. Nothing. Alright, so we use spring compressors, compressed it out, took the top off, and now the new one's on. Alright, so I got one of them done. They look the same. They look exactly the same. This one over here is the Ibok. How do you say it, Gerald? What? Ibok? Ibok loaning spring, and then the stock one, and they look exactly the same. Exactly the same. Alright, we're gonna see once they're in the car. Alright, we finally done. Oh, look at that. I'm munching. God damn, you can't tell, but it's like a 0.25 of an inch drop. I'm about to get better videos of it later. Are we done? Alright, so yesterday it was hella dark, y'all couldn't see, so let me show y'all real quick what it looks like in the day. And yes, it's still broken. It's about 1.5 fingers now. The rear don't look like it went down that much. It's 2 fingers. But it is what it is. Looking nice. Alright, boys, girls, it, they, them.
Yes.
We out. We'll catch y'all in another month, 2 months. I don't know. We'll see. Peace out.